Let us define the issue. The issue is that during the gasoline station refill, so when the gasoline boy or gasoline girl start to fill this up, it automatically stop, or it goes to the automatic mode. So if you cannot refill it instantly, or you cannot refill it fastly, so this is the main issue. So the gasoline boy needs to do a very slow refilling so that it will not trigger the automatic shutdown of their nozzle valve. Okay guys, today we will replace the refilling hose for the gas tank for our Chery Tiggo2. So the gas tank is on the right side, or the passenger side of the car. Okay, if we go underneath, we can see the refilling hose. There, the refilling hose. Pink or shrinking filling hose for the gas tank. Okay, just a disclaimer guys, I am a certified automotive technician, so I can do this safely. So make sure that the fuel pump fuse is put off, and then you start the engine, and until the engine stops or stalls. In that way there will be no pressure in the fuel system. So as a safety precaution, always work with the fuel system that has no pressure at all. So if you are not a certified technician or not a automotive technician, please do not do this. If you are a DIYer, this is at your own risk. Safety first. Hello guys, this is the part number for the gas tank filling hose, part number A13-1101315CA. These parts I will be using on my Chery Tiggo2 2021 model. As you can see, this is a original spare parts from Chery. Okay, let us measure. Physical measurement. The overall length is around approximately 8 inches or 20.5 centimeter. Okay, the width, outer diameter, is around 4 centimeter. Alright, before we begin replacing the refilling hose in the gas tank, we need to find the engine fuse box. Okay, so we look for the fuel pump supply fuse. On this case, the Chery Tiggo2, this is the 15 amps fuse between these two relay. So we need to remove this. Then we start the engine for 10 seconds until the engine stalls or engine stops, and then we can begin our safety removal of our refilling hose for the gas tank. Alright. Okay guys, after removing the F31 fuse on the Chery Tiggo2, and starting for 10 seconds, and then the engine stalls or stop. Then we need to remove this fuel cap so to depressurize. Okay, then guys, we will need to remove the two hose clamps, so very carefully. Okay guys, we already installed the filler hose for the gas tank. This is now the brand new, and this is the already worn out, already shrink, already kink, and it's causing false automatic stop or stalling of the gas pump in a gasoline station. So this is already not replaced since 2021. By the way, I used number 7 ratchet and hand tight this securely, the clamps. Do not over tighten. Okay guys, we will now return the F31 fuse for the fuel pump. Snug it tight. That's it. Okay, then after returning the fuse F31 or the fuel pump fuse, we will now prime this start for 4 times for 10 seconds.
Please calibrate the time manually. Low battery. Connect the in-home charger cable. Low battery. It is about to turn off.
Another one, 3rd time. And then 4th time for 10 seconds.
Abnormal time detected. Please calibrate the time manually.
Then return off.
Low battery.
And then we start.
The in-home charger cable. Low battery. It is about to turn off.
Okay, then we will go underneath to check if there's a fuel leak on our filler hose.
Abnormal time.
Okay, we are now underneath the gas tank. This is the fuel, the brand new filler hose. So we check for the both ends if there's a leak, fuel leak. So far there's no fuel leaking, so we are good to go. Okay guys, let us inspect the delaminated, worn out filler hose for the gas tank for Chery Tiggo. As we can see on the inside, there is a swollen like flower, swollen inside or delaminated inside. So this may cause an instant leak on the gasoline tank station, automatic leak. That is why the nozzle in the gas station instantly automatically turns off, because there is a swollen restriction rubber and delamination inside this filler hose. You can check on the other side, same. It's like a close swollen delamination inside, so the hose cannot breathe or cannot enter any fuel. This is the main cause of the clicking sound or the instant automatic fuel loading stop or stalling. So very good that we replace this worn out inside swollen delaminated fuel filler hose. Okay guys.